Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reach Bennett University by metro, focusing on the most practical route. The primary metro line for this journey is the Aqua Line, which serves Greater Noida. Your key destination on this line will be the Depot Metro station. While it's the closest metro point, please note that a brief onward trip using local transportation will be necessary to arrive directly at the university campus. To connect to the Aqua Line, especially if you are coming from Delhi, begin your journey on the Blue Line Metro, heading in the direction of Noida Electronic City. You will need to make a seamless interchange at either Noida Sector 52 or Noida Sector 51 metro station. From there, simply board an Aqua Line train that is bound for Depot or further into Greater Noida to continue your trip. Once you arrive at Depot Metro Station, your metro journey is complete. From here, you will need to take local transportation to reach Bennett University. You'll find several options readily available, such as auto rickshaws, shared autos, or ride-sharing cabs. The university campus is situated approximately 5 to 10 kilometers from the station, making for a convenient ride of about 15 to 20 minutes. For a smooth journey, always allow yourself ample travel time, particularly if you are traveling during busy hours, to account for metro transfers and the final leg of your trip. It's also a good idea to carry small denominations of cash for the local transport from Depot Metro Station. Finally, always confirm the university's precise location with your driver to ensure a direct and hassle-free arrival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.